Stupid Bird Review! Stupid Bird Review is back. Stupid Bird Review has returned. We have a bird. This is the new design American Robin. I'll review the old design some other time, but this is the one I found first. So, this is the new design American Robin, as I just said. This one's alright. Overall, it's alright. It's definitely not bad for sure, and if not, he has good vibes. So, this one was released in 2014, I think. Yeah, I think it was released in 2014, to replace the old design Robin, which retired the same year. That one's not rare, though. Here's the tag. Pretty generic. Not as cool as the old tags, but it's something. Wild Sprawling Audubon Birds of Thrill Bird Calls. Provided by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology American Robin. In the tag here, we have, here's the back. Here's the description. Yeah. Here's his range. And I got this one on a trip to the beach at some point. I can't remember exactly when. I got it in a gift shop. Mine was made in 2018. Mine was made in 2018. Here's the tag. And this one works too, I believe. So this one's pretty decent. It has the orange stomach here, gray square tail, white underneath here. The back is gray, and it has like this realistic-ish wing pattern here. Kind of like dark gray spots on the tail. The beak is yellow, and it has a gray throat and white around the eyes. Pretty good bird. I'd give it a 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 for this bird.